In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy meta objects from one Shopify store to another in just a few minutes. And not just the entries, but the meta object definitions, as well as the files attached to them. Let's get started. When we do the re-import, we'll do it without creating duplicate files. So you open Altera on your staging store. We're going to export meta object definitions and entries so we can bring them into another store. Go to New Export and select meta object definitions. Add a filter for the specific type you need, in this case materials. Then add another export for the meta object entries and select the same type. Before starting the export, go to Advanced Options and set the file name to format to CDN URL. This is important because it means any files attached to your meta object entries will have full URLs, which allows us to do the cross-store import correctly. Click Start Export and download the output file. In the spreadsheet, you'll see two sections. The meta object entry showing each records with its field values, and the meta object definitions showing the field structure. Now switch to your production store and open Altera. Upload the file. Before starting the import, make sure to check the matching URLs to existing files. This prevents duplicate images from being created in your file library. And click Start Import. The meta object definition gets created first, then the individual entries, and you can verify by going to Content, Meta Objects in your Shopify admin. To show how updates work, go back to your staging store and add a new meta object entry. Then return to Altera and run the same export again. Download the output file and switch to the production store, and then import it with matching URLs to existing files selected. The new entry will appear without creating duplicate files. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 support.